We are going to briefly present the new working group at the Research Data Alliance on Multilingual Vocabularies in the Social Sciences and Humanities, SSH. In summary, we are going to talk about the importance of harmonizing methods for SSH control vocabularies management. We want also to point out that as the SSH landscape is very diverse, so are its control vocabularies. We believe in that multilingualism and multiculturalism are crucial, and we need these control vocabularies to be compliant with the FAIR principles. The target of this group are researchers, repositories or managers of repositories, the libraries, also publishers. In the social sciences and humanities landscape, we can find high diversity, heterogeneity, and discrepancy. As you can see in this slide, diversity means that SSH can cover so many different fields, object, methods, theory. We can use English for communication, but often also national languages are used for research. And research intertwined with linguistic and cultural specificities. And about heterogeneity, we can see that there are broad and established control vocabularies that are often poorly known and used. And also that control vocabularies are mostly disciplinary focused. Also, we can find that there are many project-related control vocabularies with limited interoperability and uneven technical quality. So why we propose an RDA working group about social sciences and humanities control vocabularies? Here you can see our general objectives like harmonize methods and quality, improve interoperability between SSH control vocabularies with other vocabularies in other fields, increase the dissemination and impact of SSH research outputs, and conscious that the working group cannot address all challenges, but we will consider that method for multilingual vocabularies can support inclusion of underrepresented languages. Recommendations will help small teams to minimize the cost of control vocabularies management. They will also increase the overall SSH control vocabularies technical quality, and the broader prospect, what we want to reach is federated resources for the whole community. So about the background of the working group is that this particular dimension of multilingualism has been directly tackled by two recent European projects dedicated to the SSH community. These are SSHOC and TRIP. They have distinct and different but comparable methods. The two projects used machine translation opportunities and also human post-validation to generate curated vocabularies in many languages. So among other outputs, the SSH project provided a translation from English into 4 additional languages using the Clarin concept registry. The Triple project provided a translation from English into 12 additional languages using the Library of Congress subject headings. Besides its final result, both activities also outlined the complexity of creating, validating, and maintaining multilingual vocabularies in the SSH context. Indeed, long-term maintenance and updating represent a further challenge, with vocabularies covering many linguistic areas and cultures and bound to be further expanded. So the main outcome of the Triple EU-funded project is the Go Triple platform. This is the Opera's multilingual discovery platform for the SSH community. This offers a search engine to discover publications, datasets, projects, authors, and researchers' profiles. So the objectives of the working group are share knowledge and use cases about multilingual control vocabularies in the SSH domain. Also, we will work on coverage and usage by improving multilingualism and multiculturalism, improving interoperability and reusability through verification recommendations, and facilitate language and concepts updated through versioning recommendations. There are some prospect and open questions like connection with population research for vocabularies, and make distinctions between terminology and technical aspects of multilingualism, on if we have to include or we want to include governance aspects in the research. So if you are interested in this working group, you can check the draft case statement. It is in the RDA website and join to discuss. Thank you very much for your attention. These are the emails of the co-chairs of this working group.